What if you're just coming off the starting blocks in your career? Finished school and now looking for your first opportunity. Or maybe you have decided to completely change careers and enter into something completely new where you have no experience. A popular question arises: how to get a job with no experience in the field? The good news is that in both cases, starting and changing a career, there are a lot of things that you can do to up your chances. Let's have a look. Hi, it's Lassi Albin. Welcome to my channel, where I share weekly tips and advice on how you can accelerate your career. I invite you to subscribe to my channel right below here and hit the bell button to ensure that you don't miss any of the future career acceleration tips. So how to get a job with no experience? Yes, we have all faced and had to deal with this question at some point or points in our careers. The early start in the career, it might feel the most pressuring, as the resume is, blank. Nevertheless, every time we switch positions and advance, a part of that question needs to be answered again and resolved. What is new in the position? What do I already know? How do I quickly pick up and bridge what I don't know? But let's stick to the no relevant field experience at all case. Regardless of if you're starting or switching your career, here's a selection of tips that you can put into practice to accelerate your entry into that new job of your choice. Number one, we all have experience and it counts. You might be fresh into the workforce, but you have had summer jobs, you've been helping maybe with your family business, you've been fixing your friends' bicycles, whatever it has been, it counts. It shows your motivation, it shows your character. Bring it up. Bring up all that information, all that knowledge when you enter into the workforce. And another extreme example is stay-at-home moms and dads. I hear frequently them saying, yeah, but what have I done? Well, you've been a COO for the past 10 years. You've done a million things, transferable skills. And we'll talk about those in point 2. Jot them down on a paper. What have I done either in my previous job or as a newbie? What have I done outside of work environment? Number 2, transferable skills. Transferable skills are skills that you possess either through nature, skills, or experience, and that move with you and help the employer of the future, regardless of the industry or function. These can be grouped, and a website called Muse does it well. These can be grouped into categories. For example, communication skills. Are you a natural communicator? Do you like to communicate and it comes naturally to you? Maybe. This is a good skill to have as a transferable skill. You like to talk, you can convince people, it comes easily to you. Another group is interpersonal skills. Is it easy for you to work in teams? Again, can you collaborate easily? Is this something that comes naturally to you? That's a transferable skill set. And there's plenty of things then below the interpersonal skills and communication skills. These are the categories. Leadership skills. If you're just starting your career, you might have less, but maybe, scouts, sports teams, being a captain, there might be something there as well. Or if you change from another position, industry, you might already gained a lot of experience, which you will be selling and marketing as transferable skills. Another one is soft skills. Soft skills have to do with how you can work with people, how you can influence people, how you can help people, how easy you are to approach. Any other soft skill that helps you will also help your future employer. And then you have the technical skills, any type of technical knowledge. Maybe you've self-taught yourself to code. Maybe you self-taught yourself to do digital marketing. Maybe you did something else that is technical of nature. Bring it up. Display it. Show it. Number 3, personal brand. What is a personal brand? It's a practice of marketing you and your career or future career as a brand, your own brand. It's very important, and it's an ongoing process of developing and maintaining reputation and the impression that you want to give to the world. You will be displaying a combination of skills, experience, and personality that you want the world to know. The future employer to see that, okay, this is how I am, this is what I can do, this is what I'm capable of doing. What you want the others to see. And this includes putting together your LinkedIn, your CV, your application cover letters, and the way you interview. All those needs to be perfected because they're part of your brand. On my channel, you have plenty of resources. You can have a look at the different components and how to master those. So you can take those tips or search for other YouTube videos. There's a lot of good experts out there. Number 4, quick learner. Always show when you interact with your future employer or interviewer that you can learn quick. You've done it in the past, give examples, you can do it in the future. Give them the confidence that you will pick up things very quickly. Number 5, motivation is everything. I mean, if you come with the energy and the drive, whether you have experience or not, doesn't matter. Motivation for the company, for the industry, for the project, for the position, radiate energy. They will catch up on that. Number 6, compromise for a bigger future. Starting or switching. If you're switching your career, you might not be able to reach that seniority level straight away. You might need to take one step back and then make the move. Also, if you're just starting your career, internships, unpaid internship. If it's 2-3 months in a dream company where you can learn, or a startup, do it. Use internships to convince people. So there you go. Try those tips in action, and remember that you need to repeat them throughout your career. And yes, if you found this video useful, give it a like, share, subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.